Okay, today's lesson, lesson 8 in our volume unit, asks us to apply concepts and the volume formula to design the dimensions of sculptures or rooms using rectangular prisms. So, we are doing an example made-up problem in class, and the problem says, Mr. Sack's room has the dimensions of 3 feet by 3 feet by 50 feet. His kitchen has that same height, 50, but double the volume. Give 2 possible dimensions of his kitchen and the volume of his kitchen. Well, the very first thing you must do in this problem, step 1, is figure out the volume of his room. And to do that, you must do 3 times 3 times 50. When you multiply those 3 numbers together, 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 50 is 450 feet cubed. That's the volume of his room. Now, if his kitchen has the same height but double the volume, let's talk about step 2. Because now we have to think of what this number is going to be, the length and the width, but we know the height is 50, and then we have to figure out what the total volume is of the kitchen. In the problem, it says the volume of the kitchen is double the volume of the room. So to figure that out, all you have to do is 450 times 2, and you would get 900. So we know that this total volume here is 900 feet cubed. So now we must think of 2 numbers that multiply with 50 to equal 900. Well, that can be very simply said by saying six times 3 is 18, and 18 times 5 is 90. Add that 0, and there's your 900. So that's one way, 6 times 3 times 50. Step 3 asks you to find another way. So other dimensions that will equal 900 feet squared. Feet cubed. So let's think about another way, 2 numbers that you can multiply with 50 to give you 900. So another way to do it is to think of another way to get 18. And we know from our multiplication facts that 9 times 2 is 18. And 18 times 50 is 900. So these are the 2 ways, the 2 different possible dimensions of the kitchen where the volume both equals 900.